Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So here in this project we are going to read contacts from a file. Here we have contacts.csv. So we are going to read these from this file. Okay. So we are going to write Python code for this. So the thing is, path, we already know it's files. Inside it we have contacts.csv. okay, first we need to import. Let's import csv because we will be needing it. So import csv comma separated values module. Next, with open path comma by default it's read mode actually, that's why previously we didn't provide any. Mode equals r. Okay, as file. Reader equals csv dot reader file. Next, for row in reader, or let's write here contacts. Okay, contacts. So for row in contacts, print say row 0 comma row 1. Okay, let's see what happens. So Python, this is 21. There you go. Name, phone, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. There you go. Alright, we can even provide a string actually. And here we can provide a minus sign. Let's see whether it takes it or not. Yeah, there you go. So name, phone, Alice, this. You can even append it, So for that you need append mode. No, now I want you to do it. Yeah, it's going to be your task to append these contacts.csv with few more contacts. Okay, so yeah, let's see how many of you can do it. See you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.